this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your continue watching on Netflix. So let's go to our Netflix app and make sure you're in the correct profile that you need to be in to remove this stuff. So I'm going to stay in that current profile. And so what you can do is at the very top of Netflix, it should relatively be the same for everyone. So you should be able to scroll down. And as you see, there's so many options here, comedies and all these things, all these different categories. But you should have an area that says continue watching for your name of the profile. So to remove something from here, all you have to do is you don't have to click on the actual show, but every thumbnail will have an information button, but then these three dots on the right side of it. So go ahead and click those three dots and you'll get some options here, but you want to click remove from row. So as we click that, go ahead, it will ask you to confirm. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy. Try not to overthink it, but that's how you would go about removing something from your continuing watching list on Netflix. And that's it.